So about 13 years ago when we purchased the property, it had a really bad leak right here. And you can see what damage had been done. And I don't know how long, I'm sure it was years that this thing was leaking. And it caused a lot of damage. Now, we're not done with the damage. There's still more underneath here. And we definitely have some bad slate up there, so there could be more. But the good thing is this is dry. Part of me would like to cut this out, replace it, but the reality is it'd be very difficult to do given this situation. Now it's not totally, it is weaker, but it's still pretty, you know, these boards here are really good right here, and even here really good. But then on the edge, that's when it's compromised. I swept it out really good. There's no sign of bug activity. Pull some of this out right here. Now the good thing is, it's old lumber. It was done in somewhere between 1854 and 1874. And it's tongue and groove. It looks to be about 7/8 inch. And it's nailed solid. Now I just added some more nails and made sure the nails that were in there were down in so they're not hitting the aluminum. And this is like one of the strongest roofs I have worked on. It's just very, very solid. I mean, other than the ones I have built with 1 inch or 1.5 inch material, mine are also very solid. But this is an extremely solid roof. So I am going to continue. I forgot about this, honestly. When I didn't think of it. It's not the reason I started doing the, just trying to move around here. It's not the reason I did these two boards up the valley. I did them for a different reason, but now the good thing is they're actually going to go over top of this. So the 4-inch 1x4 is going to go here, and then the 1x7 will go on top of that. We'll be screwing into the sides, but even then we're not screwing in every board. So I definitely have good material here, good material there, good material there. So it's going to be able to get screwed in really good. Down here is super solid. So as much as I hate to go over stuff like this, I'm being very transparent. I think in this case we're going to be okay. If for some reason I'm ever working on the inside and I have access to this, I'll reinforce it down there too. But this is going to be okay. There's no bug activity. It's damage that was done a long time ago, and this lumber, I don't know if it's hemlock, has held up very well. Okay, let's get down. Let's get our first board measured and cut, and let's get going because it's not going to be too long. The sun's going to be setting. Well, maybe it's already set. It's too cloudy to know.